Hey, it's Sammy on April 29th. We took 9 trades in Dow Futures, that YM symbol, made 449 points. Let's dig in and take a look and see how everything played out today. We had a lot of short time frame data today. Market was very indecisive, but you can see we're working with very short time frame, 1 minute, 15-second data, and we're coming back down off of this kind of consolidated area here. We're going short, going to go down and test VPOC and V1. We're aggressively trailing our stop loss down so we can have a really nice lock if anything happens. We're actually just going to come back down here, retest, and lock in 32 points. Had a little delay here, but you can see, look over to the left, we took that retest profit, the market pulled back up, and now it rolled back over. We're starting to pick up more data. So this market's going to drop down here, down to value area low. We're going to lock in 47 points. Now we're going to try and head down to yesterday's closing price. So oftentimes overnight what will happen is price will either rise or fall away from yesterday's close. We were way above yesterday's close. Now we're coming back. You can see we're breaking the value area low and deviation 1 as multiple time frames of data kick in. We're going to hit that take profit of 55 points. Now remember, we are sitting here on this green line, value area high as well as deviation 1. This is why we protect our trades so they're risk-free. We've moved the stop loss up into slight profit, and you can see what happens here. We're working with small data, and the market takes us out with a break-even trade. Move on for the next opportunity. And here is that next opportunity. We are still growing in our data. Our sentiment is really what we're watching here. Our momentum's trying to shape up as well. We're really trying to break up through this value area high and get up into where that red line is, which is resistant. Now you can see that data exploded. It shot us right up to the overnight high, right up to yesterday's high, that 100 Fibonacci level. We're going to lock in 51 points. This was actually the trade we were looking for to make our way up to this resistance zone right here. You can see now we've got multiple time frames of data. I did not get a chance to actually hit the video. I wish I would have, because this was a great 98 point trade. Look at that thing just ripping straight up in the air. Now we are breaking through this red line, which is deviation and value area low. We went up, hit resistance. The whole market sold off of resistance. Now we're shorting. You can see we've lost all of that multiple time frame data to the long side, and everything is diverting over to the short side, starting with the small time frames. This is real-time market generated data, why we're able to move so swiftly in and out of the market. We're going to lock in 61 points. You can see how quickly this data is shifting right underneath our feet. Literally, we were just in that short to the left as we broke through the deviation zone, and now we're going back long, up through the deviation zones, up through VPOC, through the value area low. All the data is flipped over. And we're going to go ahead and lock in 76 points. I went to the gym and missed that entire beautiful move to the left right over there as we broke through that aqua line, which is deviation 2. We use these levels because they're statistically significant as distribution of volume by price. We still had enough data to work in after we had this small pullback. We got a new 2 o'clock bar here, or a new hour bar and a new 4-hour bar. We're going to exploit that and go ahead and take this and just lock in 29 points at the high of day here.